What's going on, everybody? We are here in Coco Cay, right behind me, and it's the very back of the ship we backed in, so I'll definitely be here on departure. We'll see a time lapse for sure, but this island has got some history for me too as well with my phone. I dropped my phone in the pool at this island, and but it's a really cool place just for Royal Caribbean and celebrity customers, and it's a really cool private island. They got a lot of beaches and pools and bars and places you can eat also over there on there too as well. So, and there's also a really cool place to snorkel on the other side of the island there. That's got a little deep spot there you can go swim in a little bit. But we're here at Coco Cay. Hope you guys are doing well today. It is Wednesday, January 28th, 2026, and we are here at Coco Cay. It's a perfect day at Coco Cay. Definitely here in paradise. Island's not very big. And then on the other side, Coco Cay and Norwegian actually share an island, and they have their side over there. So I don't know if that's the Norwegian Joy, possibly. That was the one in Nassau yesterday too. So I don't know if they followed us over here or what, but lots of cool places to jet ski and snorkel, and just, it's the Bahamas. It's awesome. There's our ship. We got a celebrity in shop today. We love the celebrities. Royal Caribbean. We're here at Coco Cay. Spent the afternoon working. Had some lunch at the Loco Taco, whatever it's called. And now we're gonna walk around Captain Jack's Coco Cay. For sure. Thanks. We're gonna walk down here on this bridge here to the stores over there. It's a little chilly. That's pretty cool. Perfect day at Coco Cay, baby. That's pretty cool. Feet in the sand. Sand? With little pricklies in them? Ow. Ow. This line of, look at this line. This is crazy. Our ships are over there. Got a bunch of shops over here. Get your t-shirts, magnets, whatever. Cool. It's right across from this spot right here. Here's return to the scene of the crime, where I dropped my phone in the water. I believe it was right over here. Yeah, we're on that little spot right there is where I dropped my phone in the water.
Did it not work?
The first time I was here. Fell in the water. Yeah, and they got a walk-up bar over there. That's pretty cool. Even the seagulls are enjoying some water. Enjoying the pool here. It's a perfect day at Coco Cay for them too. South Beach. Let's go. Yeah, South Beach is what this area is called. It's on the other side of the island. Got basketball over here. Tons of chairs. South Beach rules. South Beach. Nice and calm over here. Playing some basketball. He's gonna miss. He's gonna miss. Yeah, we have 56 minutes to get back on the ship. All aboard's at 5 o'clock.
We're not gonna pull a St. Thomas.
No, we're not. But we're gonna see here on the other side of the island, how long does it take to get from South Beach, Coco Cay, to your ship in the front. Let's see what happens. Starting now. Here we go. We're gonna walk at a normal pace though. Look what we got here. Got a rooster. There's another one. There's a bunch of them. And that wasn't long of a walk. What's the time on that? 5-minute walk from South Beach to here. So not bad at all. Alright. Heading back. Alright, walking back. Just a quick little stroll through Coco Cay. Checked out some of the beaches, not all of them. But it was fun. We can say we were here. This is the Celebrity Summit. Celebrity is more of the top notch of Royal Caribbean. This is a very older ship though. Fill her up when we're in port. Fill them up. Pans. Some other stuff. Fill it up, load it up on the dock there.
Hey, get my swag home.
Alright, perfect day at Coco Cay. Until next time. Until next time. From South Beach, to here, 16 minutes, 7 seconds. Not bad. Not bad. Tonight we're having main dining. Got a reservation. It's hard to get a reservation on here, but there's the menu. We'll see it in a little bit. I'm gonna be looking at that Caribbean chicken for main dining tonight. You have to get a reservation when you're on a big ship like this. You don't just automatically get a spot if you're late. So, but we got a 5:30 time. We went down there and got one. So we got a big party too as well. So let's have some good food tonight. Nice big dining room. Huge dining room. Alright, Taste of the Caribbean tonight. Caesar salad, as always. Caesar salad.
Tonight, we proudly present the main dining routine.
Alright, jerk chicken. I took my mom's jerk pork chops, she didn't like it, and a baked potato and carrots. Excited for this. A brownie with vanilla ice cream. I also got some chocolate ice cream as well. When I get back home, I'm gonna starve myself for a while. Main dining was pretty good tonight. Caribbean was the style as you saw on the menu. The jerk chicken is the best. Any Royal Caribbean celebrity, jerk chicken has been my favorite of all of them. So, had the pork chop too, it was really good too. A lot of good seasoning on it, not too spicy, but really enjoyed it. Tennessee, Georgia playing on the big screen at Playmakers. They got a sports bar here called Playmakers. Sports bar and arcade. Big old table right here outside the boardwalk. And our room is like right above there. Got a cool little couple old video games, some foosball, some pool. Got some TVs in here as well. Got some racing games too. Playmakers Sports Bar right here. Lots of TVs. The food here is not free. You have to order off a menu. But pretty cool little area. Right across from Johnny Rockets. That is also not free. You'll have to pay for that too. I think they got free breakfast in the mornings though. We were down here. There's the carousel. It's sugar. Lots of good stuff. There's a hot dogs. We looked at the hot dog stand from over there on our thing that's open. That's free. The hot dogs are free too as well.
People living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Let's go to the chorus and don't stop believing. What is it? Street lights, people, and don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street lights, people. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never felt so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Who knows this one? Can you feel the love tonight? And she will be loved. She will be loved. With or without you. With or without you. Who likes country music? Make some noise. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Singing, hey, mama, rock me. This one's for the anti-vaxxers. We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. We're not gonna take it. That's a good joke anymore. Take on me. Take on me. Take me on. Take on me. I'll be gone in a day or two. Alright, last one. Everybody sing this banger right here. 369, damn you fine. Please give a second to me one more time. Get low. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. To the wall. To the wall. Oh, he's so mad if they saw me doing this to the piano. Oh, let's keep clapping.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today. Coco Cay, perfect day at Coco Cay. We really didn't do much, but we hung out. But what most important part is we hung out with this guy right here. Check out Justin Golan on Facebook, Instagram. What else you go? TikTok? What else?
Yeah, that's about it.
All right, well, I'm going to put
Instagram,
his
TikTok.
profile right here, as you see it right there. So make sure you check out Justin. Man, he's the best. Go on a cruise. Don't go on any other cruise unless he's on it, because he will entertain you anytime. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow for a day at sea. Looking forward to it. Maybe we'll see this guy somewhere around there. He's going to be like jamming it with the volleyball. So see you guys. Peace out.
See ya.